Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Claude AI on laptop or PC. So let's start. So click on the URL tab and type in Claude AI. So it will bring you to this page. If you've already logged in, make sure you log out and then just refresh the page. And then down here, you can see download desktop app. So just click on that to download Claude AI. So as you can see, it's now starting to download the app. So wait for it. It takes a few minutes. And once done, you can just click on this folder icon right here. So you need to double tap Claude Setup. So just double tap on that and it will run to your PC. So as you can see, it's now installing. And once installed, it will open this window right here and tap on Get Started. So next, you can sign in with your Google account or you can enter your email in here and tap on Continue with Email. So I'm just going to use my Google account. So I tap Continue with Google. So choose your Gmail account, tap on Continue. Now, once signed in here, you just need to tap on Continue and it will bring you to Claude's dashboard. So in here, you can write, learn, code, live stuff, import files from Drive. So basically, you can ask questions, write content, or get help with tasks. So it works similarly to ChatGPT, but with its own style and strengths. And that's basically it. That's how you can install and use Cloud AI on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. I'll see you in the next one.